All right, so after the case study, had some food. Now I'm gonna do the daily recap. Um, Productive day, good shit, good stuff. So let's break it down. Break it down, break it down. This is messy. So what happened? Yesterday we came above here. This was a news high. So we can target news lows or news candle, so we can target the low of the news. Strong bullish candle. However, previous daily highs were taken. High time frame liquidity was taken. Um, so sells is valid if we get like a high time frame confirmation, and we got the high time frame confirmation in the form of 50-minute order flow turning bearish. Asia highs were not taken. We have some internal range liquidity, and we have this area with barely any orders. So that's taken out. News liquidity taken over here. So that's what happened on the from a high time frame perspective. Yeah, let's just see. So coming into here, we get nice order flow trades actually. Let's just break that down because you respect this 50-minute POI. And I was initially waiting for price to come up here. Get a high, a low, lower high, lower low. Then we got nice internal range liquidity building up over here. Liquidity. So we took previous daily highs, and Asia high was a strong push. So not many orders over here. So that can be taken out easily. And then not many orders over here because this is at the back on the back of news. So those can be taken out quickly as well. High time frame wise or structure wise, we have to reach a discount, which is what we did right now. This would be my ideal area, ideal, sorry, that's Dutch. My ideal area to look for longs. Why? This news is taken, but I feel like this is like a beautiful point for longs. Why is it a beautiful point for longs? Because we got structure over here. We got a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, or even this one, higher low, higher high, and then never higher low, and then the higher high never reach a discount. So you could even say we have a range not only from this low, but there's an internal range also from this low. So yeah, well, not don't see it like that, but you could say that because never reach discount again. That's a beautiful area for longs, structure wise, liquidity wise. There's some liquidity over here. These lows are also very valid to be taken nonetheless. If we zoom in a little bit, we can see that there's these lows as well. Maybe this one could be clean as well, but would look out for either this. Yeah, I would look out for this or this one. This one. So yeah, but for now, just focus on this area. And longs, it's too late now to look for longs here, so that's not really relevant. Um, what else is there on the high time frame? So I mapped it out already. This is like a clean 50-minute POI. We reacted from a 4-hour POI, if I'm correct. Might not be. Or a 1 hour. I don't know exactly. 4 hour for value gap. Or here you go. Yeah, so this 4 hour fair value gap over here, you can see that's where we reacted from. All right, there you go. So coming into today again, previous daily highs taken, Asia high being formed on the 50-minute or on the 5-minute, whatever you want to label it, whatever time frame you want to use for that. I don't care. I use the 5/50-minute. We can just clearly see the price is forming bearish structure. And yeah, so we got this 5-minute block over here. Internal range liquidity. Those are taken, and then you get your first setup. I don't know if it's following the plan. You can say like this is maybe your early sellers, but it's just respecting bullish order flow, or not a Dutch word, sorry. It's just respecting bullish order flow, but you could say like this is your early sellers, maybe just some form of why you got this high that leads to this low that leads to this high, but not really strong form of early sellers. You got this structure going on, high, low, lower, high, low, low, bullish break, bearish break, but then this bearish break is really just respecting the area below that low. And this is not a low that led to a new high. So it's a bit tricky, not really any early sellers. There's not really like a bearish break here. It just comes in and then turns around. Yeah, so there's no sell from there. And then ugh, it looks so messy in my opinion. It looks already better if we just take that off. And then mark these out as liquidity. And it's a little bit more clear what's going on. There you go. All right, so that's that. A little bit more cleaner. So this is our high. This was our low. So to continue bearish, and after we come out of Asia, so I actually have to put on the colors again, my bad. We got the high that leads to a low over there. You can see we just reached discount. So therefore, we have a new leg. As soon as that low gets broken, and that low gets broken, so we got this leg, and then we had this 50-minute POI, no entry there. Oh, it's all clean order flow though. Look, this one took internal range liquidity, took out even this wick here. So it was valid to sell off. Same here, as you can see, we got the low, high, and this was like a fake range, if you can call it like that, because not really any internal range liquidity taken. You could class this wick over here as your internal range liquidity, maybe. Anyway, and then comes above there. So early sellers over here, comes above here, respects this block. And then you have your sell off. I would not take that, I think. And then there's a confirmation based entry, actually, I think. We got a low that lead. No. Nope. So nothing there. The price comes above here, actually comes above here. So people sold from there. And now this could be classed as a bullish break. Why we get a high, low, lower, high, lower, low. Bullish break. And people might look for longs from this area below these wicks. I would have, let's see. I think there's a 3-minute or something. Super clean. Yeah. So just wicks in and pumps up. 2-minute was cleaner. Oh no, 3-minute or 5 minutes cleanest. Yeah, 5 minutes cleanest. Just takes that out. But anyway, so that's your bullish break. What does that mean? Early buyers? Maybe. Could be. So this could be early buyers. But there's no like, yeah. So what? Maybe there's a, let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember now. 50-minute. There you go. So let's just take it from there. Look at this. So you got your 50-minute POI over here at the Asia lows. And that's just a very minor structure, but you got a low, high, or high, higher, low, higher, high. And then this could be your range. And this is not how I trade, because that would be, yeah, there's a trade though, but yeah, anyway, so that happened. 50-minute POI taken. So early buyers, let's just see it from that perspective. Early buyers. But there's no bullish break. Minor bullish break here, no entry, so there's nothing there for buys. And then over here you got no. Sorry. Nothing there either. We basically respecting this range, and then we got uh, no, a lot of order flow trades. And we can see that, okay, price now building up here. Bearish break again. Then you get, so equals Asia below. Let's take off this one. Following the order flow, this could be your fake break. However, it respects the extremes. I would look to sell here. Then we get a bearish break again. And then if you trade like this, yeah, I would have had a super clean trade, and this doesn't fit my plan at all because this is clearly mitigated. Let me look on the 5 minute. So you could have taken that like this, actually. I think it will give you 1 to 4. 23, 18. 4.7, 5.2. 1 to 4 is hit. Yeah, just about. All right, so you get a 1 to 4 trade. There are a lot of order flow trades here. I'm gonna map it all out because they don't fit my plan. They would have fit my plan though if there was a confirmation based entry with all the confluences over here. So if we get all the confluences over here, then I can look for order flow trades. But there was no confluence set up here, so I didn't feel comfortable. Always, I'm not even tired. Always yawning when I do these case studies. I'm kind of bored. I love to talk about price. Love it. But yeah, so that happened. One thing though, you guys see that there's liquidity building up here. Strong liquidity trend line. Then you got these highs over here. So it was a bit tricky, but I followed order flow. And then you can see our 50-minute PY over here. There you go, 50-minute PY. I use that, I just marked it like that because it was that week that was taken out and look cleaner than taking the block. But yeah, 50-minute PY taken, and then you got the entry drill, and that was the only sell off or only setup I could find that fitted my drill. Low, high, higher, low. Actually, let me check that. So not that one, then this one. Can use this low as well, doesn't matter. Low, high, higher, low, respects this block, and then higher, high, and then this low takes out the order flow because this order flow was respected. This order flow should have been respected, doesn't get respected. So bearish break, bullish break, bearish break, and then you have a minor entry over here already. So that one is taken out, and then that would result in a loss. So there's no, that's not an entry, by the way, because yeah, it's a minor break. Could have taken it, but then you should put your stop above here. Anyway, this was a high that took this high, so therefore I put my stop above there as well. Bearish break, got internal range liquidity in the form of this wick. Oh, this wick, and the form of this cluster of candles. So those are taken, and then you can see that price is like selling off. After this, we reduce the stop loss to just above here. And here was news going break even. Can take that off now. Let's take that off. That happened. You see how it just respected the range. Well, with spreads in let's move it that. And then you get some form of early buyers over here. Low, high that led to a low, bullish break, bearish break, minus structure. Let's see if there's a block. No, there's nothing there. Now it's respecting. Yes, so you could say that. Maybe order flow trade from here. minor break, entry, liquidity building up there, but I would take this block 100%. And then get this cluster of blocks. And price just stops in there. That would be a potential long. However, it didn't play out yet. But you could say it like that. Especially say the 7.2 to this highs are 124.85. It could have been a nice trade. Broken, discounted chief, respecting the order flow. However, you still get this range as well. And it's outside of the time, so let's just remove that. Don't care about it. Yeah, that's basically what happened today. No setups. So this was the only setup that fit the plan for me. It was during New York, pre-New York. And London just provided beautiful order flow. Like this is clean price action, just not for the plan, but it's clean. And won't show you that, sorry. That's not relevant. Yeah, 50-minute fair value gap can go as well. This low can go now. We can just clean this up. Forecast wise, I would love to see price a little bit lower. Might see price come down here and then continue up. Or break bearish again because we took so much high time frame liquidity. Guess price will say there's not much like compared to this. Where can I show you best? There was not much. There was this in this range of the how do I say that? Like there were a lot of liquidity plays over here. Same for these shorts. Like there was internal range liquidity taken first here. There was so much to target here. Now there's just it's not that much in this range. There's not much going on. You look at this, the high to this low. So many internal range structures, and here's not much. So, same with this long internal range liquidity taken. Then farming structure, internal range liquidity taken. So much going on. Sitting here, low, high, higher, low. Get a minor bullish break over here. So this liquidity gets engineered, and then this gets taken out. Wait, let me show you. So minor bullish break. And people think, think that's the most Dutch thing ever. People assume we're going long. They will try the long from here, and you see we get a reaction from there. And use more buys into the market, buyers taken out. That's like the first form of internal range liquidity. And that's then taken out, and then you get the bullish realignment. And then you can look for longs. But yeah, we'll see. Price can do whatever now. News lows are taken, so you can shoot up now. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for today. No, that's not it for today, because let me go to the 5-minute one more time. And this was our last high that led to low. And this was the new bullish range, the bearish range that reached discount, and that reached discount or premium. And this is now the last one, potentially. That's the last one for now. All right, I was gonna say we could look for sells up here, but sells are not high probability for now. I have no high probability area to look for sells, I would say. Maybe this one, but anything maybe above here, above these highs, but once we get above here, We already reached the deep discount, so I wouldn't look for sells here because then I would look for continuation trades up. Anyway, daily recap done. Peace out. Good luck.